I want to talk to you guys about encapsulating an attic space. It's a conversation that I often have with clients, and it's an important thing to understand. Encapsulating an attic space means including the attic in the thermal envelope of the building. And you do that by installing insulation under the roof sheathing, not in the attic floor joist bay. While any insulation can be used, I feel the best practice is to use an open or closed cell spray foam insulation. The end result is that the attic becomes a conditioned space, a very normal temperature controlled space. This results in stable temperatures inside the attic as opposed to, a ventilated attic which sees huge seasonal temperature swings in the summer and the winter. So applying spray foam encapsulates this attic space, and it basically stops a chimney effect, which most homes have, and it can reduce heat loss by 50%. Another benefit, often seen in warmer temperatures or warmer seasons, is that outdoor pollen and humidity is now prevented from entering the home through the soffit vents and ridge vents. Assuming that you have heating, ventilation, air conditioning equipment in the attic, having a conditioned attic significantly reduces the amount of work that this equipment has to do to dehumidify the house, cool it, heat it. It just becomes more efficient and comfortable. One of the biggest return on your investments of a conditioned attic is that it helps regulate the attic from temperature fluctuations. And that results in reduced heating and cooling efficiency. In a nutshell, HVAC equipment operates more efficient and strains less in the extreme temperatures. Basically it costs you less money to operate because it's cooler in the summer, you're not losing cooling efficiency to the heat, and it's warmer in the winter, you're not losing heat to the cold attic. It also eliminates air leakage from the main house below, and air leaks often can be seen in wire, pipe, and access penetrations in the floor area. Heat loss through air leaks is one of the main ingredients in the formation of ice dams. So one thing you should be aware of, when you encapsulate your attic, it becomes basically this sealed, unvented attic assembly. So before you do it, you need to make sure that you have a sealed combustion furnace. And that's a furnace that uses a separate air intake and exhaust pipe. So look, creating a conditioned attic space, it may cost you more up front, but you will absolutely reap the benefits over time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment below and subscribe. We welcome your feedback. And also, don't forget, we are on Instagram and Facebook. We have 2 different channels, toolboxbuzz.com if you love tools, and Concord Carpenter for remodeling and best practices. We'll see you next time. Take care.